a chest, but I'll survive.
I'm sorry you got shot. I didn't intend for that to happen.
Really? Does it seem like you're about to shoot me yourself?
What good would you be me dead?
I feel much more comfortable now. Thanks.
I guess this is the part where I'm supposed to say, I told you so.
James, I stand corrected.
Come here, baby. Come on.
No, it's my bad.
Get up here.
I'll clean up.
No, wait!
Danielle, you should escort Alex away from here.
No, no!
Come on, it's right. Let's go. Anyone who doesn't want to see this should leave now.
No, we should talk about this!
What if one of those bullets had hit you in the vein?
You gonna stand up? Oh, you found something to eat.
I have answers.
You standing up, baby?
What is the monster?
Uh-oh. You finally pulling yourself up on stuff.
What is it?
I don't know.
And you gonna do it for some food.
Goodbye.
You fat little
My
baby.
name is Charlotte Lewis. Charlotte Staples Lewis.
You gonna eat it?
Born
Or
July
you gonna play with it?
1979, Essex, England. Parents David and Jeanette.
What's that?
Three, all girls. She was raised in Bromsgrove. Did her undergraduate studies at Kent. Took her PhD in cultural anthropology at Oxford. She's here with two other team members and a pilot. Their names Daniel Faraday, Miles Strom, Frank Lapidus.
Excuse me, sir, but are you gonna eat that?
Your instinct was right, John. These people are a threat.